my grandfather was a farmer. And his claim to fame is that he was invited to come to the United States to grow tobacco in Windsor, Connecticut. And my grandmother said, "What am I going to do with 5 unmarried girls in Windsor, Connecticut, where there are no Jewish boys?" So they moved to New Haven, where there was some family, and there were no farms. So my grandfather became a fruit peddler. And one of my joys was to go on the horse and wagon with my grandfather. And he would come back, I must have been 8 or 9, and watched the horses, in the stable. And one day he came back and said, "I don't know if he can come with me anymore. He asks too many questions." But it was wonderful. Such a gentle man, and in his own way, a learned man. And I'll give you just one example. I haven't told these stories in a long time. He was a musician in his own way. And my father, who was studying cantorial, would go to Papa and say, "Is this a good phrase?" And my grandfather would say, Do this, do that," to improve it.